ka Sorkar Jyllei Gladrai ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ke Jingdon jangki Village Defense Party ha ki Jaka balai thu kum ki Jaka ba Jyllei Drok nang ban la rat na duk ting khong ya ki Jingdi bu ai Pynkhlaiñ ya ke negara la shim ha ki Jingelang ba la penyai do Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba polling do ha singi ba ha ke Jingdon lang ki he officer Ketenat Kampo Ing Social Welfare ba ki sing Tremon ngobha ba prepare ha ke Jingi kun percaya Drok
on the menace of drug trafficking and drug use in the state of Meghalaya. The meeting was organized under the aegis of the DREAM mission, that is the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. And at today's meeting, we have the presence of officials of the Home Police Department, officers of the Department of Social Welfare, various NGOs involved in the fight against drugs at various levels, the Malaria AIDS Control Society, and members of the mission, the DREAM mission. The discussions were wide-ranging and covered a lot of areas. We reviewed the progress of the DREAM mission, the various interventions that have taken place, and also we looked at the way forward and how to address the gaps that we noticed in tackling the menace of drugs. So in brief, that was the tone and the content of the discussions. And at this point of time, if you have any queries, we are open to take part. One major area of concern for us was the need to make the program more community oriented. We would not like to see DREAM as just a government initiative, but because it's very important that in order to eliminate and eradicate the menace of drugs and narcotics, we need to broaden the involvement of civil society. And one of the areas of discussion was on the revamping and reorganizing, and also to look at the possibility of organizing the village defense parties, especially in the identified hotspots, including the city of Shillong. So in the last two sessions of interactions with the Pashtons, there was a general consensus that the Shnongs would like to be involved in identifying and also tackling this menace. So today's discussions, we focused on the possibility of strengthening the presence of VDPs across the state of Meghalaya.